How to apply to become a Lyft driver, or in short, how you can apply for Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for becoming a Lyft driver. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the requirements and documents you'll need to provide to qualify to become a Lyft driver will also vary based on your location. But in general, you'll need to be at least 21 years old, have a smartphone, and be able to pass national and country background checks, plus a DMV check, and not to mention you'll need to have a valid driver's license. Now your car also needs to have at least 4 doors between 5 and 8 seat belts containing a 5 to 8 seats including the driver, and you need to have a valid car insurance. There are also certain subcompact cars that can't be used even if they satisfy all the other requirements. Now for those who meet the requirements and can drive in an area where Lyft operates, here is how you can actually apply for becoming a Lyft driver. So what you have to do is first download the Lyft app and create an account if necessary. Tap on the three bars, then select the option called Drive with Lyft at the bottom left corner of the screen, as you could see. Once you do so, fill in your email address and your location, and once you've done that, fill out the rest of the online application by following the prompts. The company says that this part should take at least less than 30 minutes to complete. The background checks, on the other hand, can take weeks to process depending upon your location, so keep that in mind if you're looking for fast cash. If you pass the application stage and background checks, you may have to schedule an appointment at a Lyft certified inspection center to make sure that your vehicle meets the company's requirements and is road ready. According to Lyft, this requirement is dependent upon your location. If you get delayed during the approval process, you can always check the status of your application at lyft.com/drivers. And that's all it takes to apply to become a Lyft driver. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.